Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can play Telegram videos on your iPhone. Well, the first thing here that you can do is basically go to your App Store and we're going to download or install VLC Media Player. So from here, just need to select on VLC and then we're going to tap on the Get button, or you can install this on your iPhone. Once done here, if you go back to your home screen and then go to your Telegram, and from here, as you can see, we have received a video. So if you can't play this video, for example, you just need to tap on the share icon at the bottom left hand corner, and here just need to tap on the icon beside the share with at the right side, and just need to select the VLC, and it will be played on this media player. So that's it. That's how you basically play Telegram videos on iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.